Hey, hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Got a little update on the pig cooker. I went ahead and notched that thing out, so you can probably see right there. So now I can pull this thing right on out like that. I ain't quite through with it. I I had to work on my welding machine, and so I got to do some welding on it. But anyway, so it's going to pull out. It's going to slide out. Um, so it'll make it a lot easier to use it. So that's how it's going to look like that. Uh, like I said, there's the front. You got to change out the hoses, get rid of that copper tubing, and put the flexible hoses that I got right here, right there. You can go ahead and replace them. Um, I'm thinking about maybe using some of this metal on something. I'm not quite sure. And that's stainless steel down there too. I was kind of thinking about putting a side burner on this, so I can keep things warm. Like I'm getting where I really like them beans, smoked beans. People smoke them up and they make them pretty good. I mean, it sounds kind of terrible, I guess, but they put that smoked flavored beans, baked beans. Yeah, so in a couple months when my daughter gets married, I'm going to do the reception. I'm going to cook a hog on this thing. And this is a big grill. It would actually hold, not a grill, pig cooker. This thing would probably hold at least 2 hogs. But we're going to do 1 hog. And we're going to do a bunch of chicken on there, chicken thighs. I want to do some darn chicken wings, but they're so expensive. I'll need 2 credit cards. I'm gonna do a little research, and we got a chicken plant up the road, and I'm gonna call them and see if I can't buy chicken wings straight from them guys. So I cover this whole thing up with chicken wings, and what I do, folks. I know this is gonna turn out to be a little cooking little show, kind of, sort of, but what I do is I take wings, I throw them on a grill, and let them cook for a while. Get them about halfway done. I know that's gonna sound bad, but then I throw Texas Pete on there, and then as long as you let the Texas Pete bake off, it won't be that hot. And if you look at Texas Pete recipe and the Buffalo Wild Wing recipe on there on the container, it'll be the same thing. One will have a little bit more preservatives than the other one, but yeah, just looking at overall condition of my yard, it's kind of messy. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to put a shock on there. So I don't know I don't know how to go about really how to do it, other than maybe from down here to up there for a shock system to get rid of that spring, because right now I have to prop it up. Now I could let it go all the way back so it'd be straight up and down, but then it's so hard to get it up and down, and I'm so afraid that thing's gonna like pop a wheelie. So I want to put some shocks on there, some air struts. So that's the grill. That's the grill. I want to show you guys something else. I got a little RV. This is my RV that I've been traveling around with. When we went to Maine, we went to, I live in North Carolina, so we went to Carolina Beach, which is about 130 miles away. We went to Maine and went through that Washington Bridge that I've been telling you guys about. So this is what happened to it, if you could see it. A little bit up there. Hold on, guys. I'll show you a little spot where it just came apart. Yeah, right there on the corner. You probably see it. It made it worse. I put a new roof on it. I had it done. And them corners right there, did you see? They're wasted on the first, wasted when I first bought it. So when I had a new roof put on it, they wanted me to have new corners. So I went ahead and went online and I found them corners. I paid for them. They were like $150 for 2 of them, but I got them on eBay. And it took a couple of weeks. It seemed like it took about 2 weeks to get them. In the meantime, they were taking the roof off, and it was like, okay, where's my corner pieces? I need my corner pieces. And so I gave it back. I gave them to them at the nick of time. So there's a new awning. When they put that new roof on there, they put that awning on there free of charge for me. Some nice guys. They're brothers. They live in. I think they live and work in Dunn, which is about 45 minutes away. I got brand new tires on there. They're about 2 years old. Carl, this is for you, Carl. There's no tire shine. I'll get a little slack and no tire shine. I got my little step over there drying out. I had it down here. I'm gonna have to put it on some bricks. Yeah, it's a Fleetwood Flare. It's a 1994 Fleetwood Flare with a 454 motor. It's in pretty darn good shape. It really is. Got 60,000 miles on it. And I'm going to have to change the transmission filter out. It runs perfectly till I get going down the road for like 500 miles. And then it gets where it's just still good, but when I want to hit overdrive, instead of hitting overdrive at 60, it's more like 62 or 65 before overdrive kicks in. So it gets a little harder and harder for it to go into overdrive. So if anybody out there knows what might be going on with it, I believe I just have to change the transmission fluid. Oh no, excuse me, change the filter, keep the same transmission fluid because it ain't burning or nothing. It's perfectly fine. This is the other side of it, right there. I've had this for, I guess, 4 years now. Yeah, 4 or 5 years. Yeah, probably 4. This will be my 5th summer. Yeah. So we're gonna take full advantage of this year. We're gonna drive more of this than my 2018 Ford Explorer that I love. But we're gonna try to drive this a little bit more this year. So we go to Florida. I want to go to Arizona, but you know I can't do that because it costs a fortune, and I ain't got a whole lot of money this year. I got to go what I got, and so Florida would be pretty good. I can handle that probably. All right, guys, I know this has gone a little long. I gave you a little tour of my yard, my backyard. That's the back way into the pond back there. It's actually trying to come back. Mother Nature trying to come back. There's a cat right there. I don't know what's going on with the cat. I don't know if y'all can see it, but he's looking at something over there. He's hunting something down. Yeah, oh yeah, I see his head. He's digging up something. Ooh, probably a snake. I've seen these wild cats around there, semi-wild cats. they'll attack snakes. I've seen that in person. Who would have thought a cat will attack a snake? All right, so that's enough of that. And y'all have a good, blessed day. And I appreciate y'all watching. And I've been looking at my past videos the last couple of days. They have really, I don't know why, they just kicked off and started. Everybody started watching it. So I appreciate it. If y'all can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Leave a comment on this grill. Give me some pointers. And y'all know what to do. Nobody's new to the game, so that's my parts card that I'm looking at. All right, so one last look at the pig cooker. Feel like a car salesman. All right, guys, y'all. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good, blessed day. We'll see you. We'll see you next time.